Craving something sweet, soft, and perfectly cozy, but want to keep it gluten-free? This gluten-free vanilla mug cake is light, fluffy, and ready in just about a minute. It's the perfect single-serve dessert for those moments when you want a treat without the wheat. You don't need a mixer or oven, just your favorite mug, a spoon, and a microwave. Let's make it together. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of oat flour, or make your own by blending rolled oats into a fine powder and measuring out 4 tablespoons. This gives the cake a soft, slightly nutty base. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oats. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar for sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and just a tiny pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Give everything a quick mix so that the baking powder blends evenly. This makes sure your cake turns out perfectly fluffy every time. Add this mixture to a large, microwave-safe mug. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of milk, almond milk or regular dairy milk, whichever you prefer. Add 1 tablespoon of applesauce for moisture, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that warm, classic aroma. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped pecans. Stir it all together until smooth and lump-free. Make sure to scrape the bottom and sides of the mug so every bit of flour mixes in. That's how you get that perfectly even, soft texture. Pop your mug into the microwave and cook for about 70 to 80 seconds, depending on your microwave power. Let it cool for a minute while we make a quick glaze. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of milk. Add a tiny pinch of cinnamon powder. Stir until silky and smooth, creating a glossy glaze that drips beautifully over your warm cake. Then top it with a few fresh berries or a light swirl of whipped cream. It's elegant, comforting, and oh so delicious. And there you have it, a warm, eggless, gluten-free vanilla mug cake that's soft, sweet, and ready whenever your dessert craving hits. Simple ingredients, quick prep, and pure comfort in a mug. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.